Boy, if you ain't Catless, I don't know what you're doing. This bitch sound crazy than a motherfucker. Woo, I'm telling you. Go ahead and order them Catless meals right now. YouTube, what it do, man? 392 John, and I'm back with another video. If you're new, if you first time stopping by, man, welcome to the channel, man. And today I got a little something special for y'all, man. Your boy is going Catless today. Your boy is going Catless. As y'all got already here, big muff delete. I'ma actually give y'all a couple rails. I'ma give y'all 2 rails in street, 2 in sport, 2 in track, so y'all can hear how the car sound before we do go Catless. And by the way, if you ain't follow my IG, go follow my IG right there. I'm gonna have it right there. Y'all can see it. Go follow your boy. All the upcoming news always drop on IG first. So go follow the IG. Anything related to the car, IG see it first. So, yeah, man. Actually, let me show y'all the Catless mids. They in the trunk. I ain't gonna hold y'all up too long. I'm just let y'all see them. We actually heading to the muffler shop right now. As y'all can see. Got them Catless mids. Let's do it. The thing finna be loud, man. I'm excited to hear how it sound. So yeah, man, I'm gonna give y'all a couple of reels before and after so y'all can hear how it sound. And yeah, man, I'm prop this phone up. So yeah, let's go. Alright, y'all, we have made it to the muffler shop. The car is up on the lift, man. Y'all see the mid pipes right there, man. I ain't gonna bore y'all out, man. I'm gonna just get back with y'all so y'all can hear the sound clips. And then after we leave here, I'm gonna give y'all a little POV, maybe a little flybys and here and there. So the car is up in the air. As y'all can see, they working on it. I'm gonna get back with y'all. Alright, go ahead. Alright, y'all, I'm picking the camera back up, man. I'm back on my side, bro. I couldn't do that while I was in Tarrant, boy. I got pulled, but I'm finna let y'all hit this bitch. This bitch sound crazy. Let me drop these wonders for y'all. This bitch sound crazy. Let me drop that wonder. This bitch sound crazy. Hit this motherfucker. This bitch sound crazy. Listen to this bitch. What the fuck? Oh my fucking God. Boy, if you ain't Catless, I don't know what you're doing. This bitch sound crazy than a motherfucker. Oh my God. Oh my fucking. Boy, I'm finna get in some trouble, boy. Yeah, I'm definitely getting pulled over today. I'm definitely getting pulled over today. Ooh, and that's just sport mode. I ain't even got that bitch in track. That's just sport mode right there. But yeah, man, this bitch sound crazy as fuck, man. This bitch sound too good. If you ain't Catless yet, man, go on do it. Go on ahead, don't get y'all a little This bitch sound crazier than a motherfucker. I swear to God. This bitch louder than a bitch. Alright, YouTube, man. We back, man. We back. And I'm here to let y'all hear the rest of these Catless mids, man. Let's do it. Now, I did get to check engine light, but we finna get that clear real soon, man. We finna get that real soon. The O2 sensors I had did not fit. So we finna get that clear real soon. That ain't gonna be right there no more. That's gonna be gone. But yeah, man, what I can say from these Catless mirrors, bro, I don't know if it's me, but I did feel like this bitch did get a little faster though. The torque, not no crazy games, but it do feel like it's more snappier. It feel like it's way more snappier. Like when you step on that gas, damn, the bitch about to hit me. When you step on that gas, it's there. When you step on that motherfucker, it's there. Man, if you on the fence about Catless mirror, I say go on ahead and get them. You won't regret it. Sound good as fuck. I ain't gonna lie, it sound way more aggressive. Like, listen to this, bro. Throw you back in your seat for real. I'm telling you, bro. Woo, I'm telling you. Go ahead and order them Catless mirrors right now. You won't regret it. Go ahead and turn that motherfucker. Listen to that. I'm lost for words right now. I'm just let y'all hear the exhaust, man. I'm telling you, this bitch would feel way more snappier. Way more snappier. But yeah, man, let me chill so I can talk to y'all boys, man. But yeah, man. Overall, I'm impressed. It's not like it's not obnoxiously loud. See, like, I can quiet down right now. I'ma just cruise. You know, you can still have somebody in the passenger side talking to them. It ain't just crazy loud. But when you need to get down on it, you know you can, goddammit. Shit. But I ain't gonna talk y'all boys' heads off. I'm gonna give y'all a couple more pulls in this bitch. And we gonna end the video just like that, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. Stay tuned. I will be doing the POV with the Catless mids and mid-muff delete. So y'all stay tuned for that video, because we're going to go crazy on that POV. So I'm going to give y'all a little bit more of this exhaust, and we're going to end the video, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. Tell a friend, man. 3 out of 2 joint going to be big one day. telling you, bro, you won't regret it. These Catless mids something crazy, man. But on that note, gang, I'm finna end the video right here, man. Hope y'all boys enjoy, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. POV is on the way, so stay tuned for that video. And yeah, man, 392 joining. I'm out.